With this video clip, we are going to learn how to sort and order a column in a matrix. So let's first check out what is sort, putting in an R, or maybe first we look at the data of some in a field data. In 2010 we went to field to get some water sample data, and we make separation of this sulfate, silicate and turbidity of the river water. Now we are going to sort it out. So if we put sort, we can see these are the explanations that is given in the R. Remember, last part it is always given with an example, so you can run it in R. We're not going to do that. So the thing is that we need to have a statistical package called stats, so required stat, and then now we are going to call our data as a X. Now we recall our data with Y only with sulfate value, or maybe you can first see X. Yeah, so now you can see the three columns: sulfate, silicate and turbidity. So we reassign with Y its sulfate value from 1 to 6, the first 6 days. Now we can sort Y, so it will now give the value 15, 20, 21, 41, 44 and 42. So you see 44 has gone to the last. And now we can do the same with the turbidity. So the higher value is on the right side. We can do the opposite way, putting decreasing equals to T. So it will give the higher value first and then the lower value at the last. I think I can delete these two lines because I was writing it for another thing. Okay, now let's call one character vector AZB, and now let's call it X with a number. Now let's sort X. Actually AZB I didn't use finally, so let's order it. The ordering is done based on the positions 70, 90 and 50. So the lowest one is in the third position, second one 70 is in the second position, and 90 is in the first position, and 90 is in the second position. So we can call independent variables, independent records. So in that case, if we can to record, also we can rebuild again with a vector based on this. And we can now do some inbuilt data sorting. Let's say we call empty card, that is linked with R. So let's clean the window first and call again to data empty card. The data looks like this. So we'll sort WT column, and let's sort. This $sign means it will sort out with this column. So you can see that the lower to higher it's sorted out. Now you can see that the value is the smaller one is in the first, and the bigger one is the low in the last part, but it was random in the beginning. So with these things we can change the whole matrix relatively based on the WT column. It is often very essential if you do with some kind of large matrix. You can do the same techniques to reorder. And if you have any question, please do not hesitate to send me a mail. Thanks very much for watching.